5 product ideas to sell online in 2025, no experience needed. 1. Printable planners and journals. Daily planners, goal-setting journals, or gratitude trackers that customers can download and print instantly. 2. Canva templates. Ready-to-use designs for social media posts, resumes, business cards, or ebooks. Sell them as editable templates. 3. Budget and finance spreadsheets. Simple Google Sheets or Excel trackers for expenses, savings, and investments. Popular with people looking to manage money better. 4. Resume and CV templates. Polished, modern designs that help job seekers stand out. Easy to create and highly reusable. 5. Kids' educational printables. Flashcards, coloring pages, activity sheets, or learning games for parents and teachers to download.